An unprecedented pandemic of avian flu has spread from birds to cows. Well, now the FDA says that remnants of the virus have been detected in milk. Though the agency says the disease is not readily transmissible to humans, some infections have already occurred.
Fox 13 health reporter Mandy Rock explains to us now how health experts and farmers in the Mid-South are keeping a very close eye on how this virus evolves.
By far, the most common form of transmission is from bird to bird, but it can be spread to other animals, and in some rare cases, humans. The CDC says people who work around birds are most at risk.
I do try to keep an eye on them all and make sure that they're not acting sick.
Jonathan Bagwell is keeping a close watch on his backyard chicken flock in Crittenden County, Arkansas, for any signs of illness.
If they're sick, then they will kind of they'll isolate themselves a bit. They won't be as intuitive and curious.
He also takes precautions to protect himself.
We always wear different boots when we come out here. We don't wear them inside, and we wash hands afterwards.
In March, the avian flu was detected in dairy cattle. A farmer in Texas contracted the disease from an infected cow. Though the CDC says it's still primarily an animal health issue, infectious disease specialist Steve Threlkeld says it's possible for the virus to evolve and pose a greater risk to humans.
In some of the outbreaks that we've seen in other parts of the world with this virus, the death rate has been more than 50% in some small populations. So it is a terrifying kind of proposition, and one that we have to be very careful about.
Health experts have now found fragments of the virus in the milk supply, suggesting the disease is more widespread in cows than originally thought. Dr. Threlkeld says it's still safe to drink.
The good news is that pasteurization of that milk seems to prevent any actual live virus that could infect us from being in it.
For your health, Mandy Rock, Fox 13 News.